Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of videos not showing on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve videos not showing or not available on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here we click up, default tabs up settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of Snapchat and you click here in this page. Then this list of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you click clear cache. After that we go to the window of Play Store. You can search about Snapchat. If you'll find the update, you can click update in this blue sign as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.